So a couple of you guys hit me up, tagged me like, "Hey, what about this one?" This chick talking about 9 to 5 dudes being out of style. Oh, let's let her say her piece and like get this party started.
People be looking at me crazy. Like, I don't know if this because I'm from Chicago, but like, I can't fuck with no nigga that work a 9 to 5.
Now, by that she means a good dude. Okay, she don't want a good dude. But the question I have to ask for the good dudes, the men of their right minds, would you want her? The way she speaks, the way she's clearly carrying herself, is this somebody you want to be with? I mean, like, yeah, maybe for like, maybe for a couple of pumps, but definitely not no strokes. And I mean, pull out, bro, like 4 or 5 rubbers.
I don't know why. I just need a fast money ass nigga. It don't necessarily have to be like drugs or like fraud, but like rapping or like.
Okay, first and foremost, is rapping fast money? I'm pretty sure it's not, but this is just the female brain. I mean, as far as accumulating wealth and profit, that whole shebang. Nah, that's the government's been taking care of her for generations, and then she's definitely like one of the schema types. But look at the eyelashes, look at the hair. I mean, it's just like feel that masculine energy that's coming up off of her, and bruh, like I mean, dudes of their right mind won't want to fuck with this in the first place, right?
Dealing with me.
Not on no long term stuff. Now, when it comes to, I know more than any other man. Well, I don't want to say more than any other man. That was rather arrogant of me. I know just as well as any other man that hey, me and old boy down there, we got we're 2 different people at times. All right, we like what's good for me up here is it does not matter to him down there. I'll put it to you I'll put it to you like that. So, guys, I know y'all be like, yo, okay, yeah, I think she fine, bro. I think she fine. Like, yo, I smash. Like, but that's the thing. There's a difference. And men of their right mind know that difference between, oh, I'd smash and oh, I'd, try to build something with this. And she's letting it be known right here, right now, that she's not worth building anything with because she'll burn it down. I mean, people act like, particularly the female brain acts like money is there's infinite money and it's all within the pocket and without much thought given into how it's procured, right?
Yeah, or like shit like that. Just like get it. You want a nigga with no? So what? Like if I come to you and I need some shit, I don't need you to be like, well, my check come on Friday. Fuck that. I need you to get that shit right now. Like,
and you can see like that's the mentality. That's the like these urban chicks. She's from Chicago, Detroit, Newark, just all of these New York, all of these different democratically run communities that have really exacerbated their welfare states. This is what happens after generations of this and pushing this culture of fast money and the high life onto these communities and populations.
I feel like it depends with the 9 to 5. Like if you 9 to 5 at Burger King or something, hell no. But if you 9 to 5 at
So here's the problem that I'm having with this whole conversation, because like they're like as far because what she's about to say is like a doctor. Like a doctor is not a 9 to 5. Have you? It's just a whole bunch of ignorance that comes out of these communities, and this is layered ignorance because they swear they smart. But she's like, yeah, if you not, hold on, listen to it.
And my favorite JP Morgan or something, hell yeah, because I know that Friday check about to have multiple zeros. Fuck that little bank shit. Shit, that's a fraud nigga. I might as well get a fraud nigga. Fuck. I don't know.
She's sitting there talking about getting a fraud. check cashes, check scams, schemas, that type of deal. That's your thing. That's your thing, by all means. But just because how do I put it? Like that don't mean like regular niggas want you though. Y'all don't want regular dudes, cool, but that don't mean regular dudes want you. It's you by all means, because you're like particularly, you know, females of the urban persuasion. See, I'm gonna put a race on it, but females of the urban persuasion tend to be more liabilities than assets. I mean, and I don't mean to use the "what are you bringing to the table" bit, but you know, like I said, we've discussed on this channel what a woman can bring to the table multiple times, and outside of a womb, like outside of a fresh womb.
Work in the bank too, shit. Technically, like
So hold on. So if a nigga work at the bank,
no, I don't want you.
So let's say this nigga work at the bank making $500,000 a year.
But that's the thing. What makes you like, yo? He goes like most dudes would smash. Like that's the thing. As far as like, there's a difference between smashing and trying to like fuck with you on some long term stuff. And I don't think I don't think anybody in this video gets it. Yeah, but that's
people be looking at me crazy like.
But yeah, that's it on that one. But either ways, yeah. So guys, like, would you want to deal with a chick like that long term? Like, yo, as far as strokes go, if you wouldn't, that's on you. That's a personal thing. But if you hear the ignorance just dripping off of out of these young ladies' brains here, so. She didn't say doctor, but she damn, and the JP Morgan guy, the banker guy, yeah, his hours fluctuate as well. Cause to get to these positions, to get into these, to get high up to where all those zeros are behind the name and stuff like that, like it takes a lot of networking and a lot of time and effort and sacrifice. So. Either ways, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. All the internet stuff. If you like to toss it, like, dislike, go ahead, do that too. Nobody's scared of you. So, if you enjoy my fantastic voice and you want to get videos like this every single day, share, because sharing is caring. And YouTube,
I don't know if this because I'm from
YouTube and bit shooting light aren't the biggest fans of your boy over here for very obvious reasons. Bang the bell for notifications and speak. Let me know what do you guys think in the comments. I mean, hey, like hold on, let's see if we can catch her at a cuter angle, because that hair is like killing me. Like it's not weave, but it might as well just be a wig, and those eyelashes too. It's just like, ugh. And she's wearing a leopard print. She's just like, yo, ratchet, right? Like, and do regular dudes, like, you don't want that in your life long term. You don't want that in life longer than it would take you to pop one off. I mean, at least from my position. But you may feel differently. You might be like, yo, oh my goodness, I need to go find this woman. She's the woman of my dreams. By all means, let me know what you guys think in the comments, all right? And until the next one.